Lagi rin ako sa reading ko minsan talaga ay laging inom ng tubig pero nakakalimutan ko talaga, 'no. Ano kasi ako, coffee lover talaga ako, 'no. So, mahilig ako mas ginagawa kong tubig yung kape, right? No, so 'yan, kumbaga ito nakaka-cleanse to cleanse din your aura, 'no, your body, 'no, inner self, 'no. Ang water kasi talaga really is malaking bagay ang nagagawa niya sa overall body natin, mind and soul, 'no. And pinaka nagke-cleanse talaga rin ng ating soul, ng ating body is water. Right? So you have to dehydrate. You have to hydrate yourself, no, mga Aquarius natin, no. Drink a lot of water, no. Not only this coming week but every day, no. So yeah, ayan ay yung self-care advice, no, para hindi ka din ma-dehydrate, no. And then what's your inner goddess, no? Your inner strength na i-reveal na sa'yo ni universe, no, mga Aquarius natin. What's your inner strength, Aquarius, no? What's your inner strength? So, kuha tayo ng one card for you. So, you have this. What is this? Wait lang, Tama ba to? Create. Wait lang, So, yan, no, ang lalim pala ng ibig sabihin nito, no, mga Aquarius. So, ngayon lang din ako nakapag-ano nito. So, you are this, no, your inner strength is this creatrix, no, hindi siya creative, but then same as creative then, but has a deeper meaning, no, when it comes to spirituality, no. For some of you, no, Aquarius, no, so maybe you are so connected with the divine, no, something like that, no. So ang sinasabi dito, no, with this, no, creatrix, no, so you are this creatrix, no. So a woman who is a deeply woman or man, no, but then this is a woman, no, a woman who is deeply connected to herself as a woman or and the feminine source of creative power, no. So she gives rise to desires, gives birth to ideas and life of all kinds. She dreams courageously and trusts so deeply in the intrinsic co-creative, no, connection she shares with the divine and the natural world, no. So you are this so powerful, no, so